Alright, boom, it's Big Manny, and I'm going to give you a few tips to help with your practicals, yeah? Now, the number one thing is to pay very close attention to the method and the technique in your practical lessons, because you may be asked about these practicals when it comes to do your exams. Right, so your teacher is going to explain the method and the technique that you need to use for the practical, and what you need to do is make sure you put on your PPE, and you have to read through the method very carefully. Now, if there's anything in the method that you don't understand, make sure you ask your teacher so that they can clarify it for you, you get me? Okay, so you're going to be given a specific amount of time to complete the practical and record your results. So it's a very good idea to learn how to draw a graph before you do the practical, because this is an area that a lot of students struggle with. And just remember, remain calm and work very carefully, you get me? You don't know, man.